Hello, it's Owen and Alison here at Tonic Studios, and today we're going to talk to you about Designer's Choice. Now, Designer's Choice is something brand new from Tonic Studios, and it's a monthly die set, limited edition, and only available on the Tonic store. So me and Ali are here today to talk to you a little bit about this very first month and what die you're going to get and all the rest, and some inspiration and all that good stuff for you. So Alison, what is Designer's Choice die this month?
Designer's Choice die this month is our Dragonfly Easel. So I'm going to pop these down for just a second. They're stunning designs, as you can see. So this is what you're going to get in your kit. So you're going to get two base cards, two base dies, which make up your easel. So if I show you now, this is your starting point. So you get your little easel. So they join together just at the back, and they can be added onto cards as well. So don't just think, oh gosh, this is a little card. It's not a little card. As you can see, we've made it into bigger cards as well. So those are your starting point anyway. And then you get your decoration. So as you'd expect, you've got a gorgeous dragonfly. You've got some wording with backing plates. So we've got with love and just for you. We've also got a lovely little pattern that will sit at the base of your easel. And these have got gorgeous little pop-up areas on the flowers, on the butterflies. And then you have some other flowers and butterflies and hearts that will decorate as well.
And you could snip those as corners if you wanted to as
certainly
well.
Can.
So yeah, it's this set, so you can use the dragonfly individually and all these sort of bits. We've sort of condensed some things from big collections that we put together into one die set for you to be able to do loads of different things with it.
This is how your die set will come to you. It comes in a little pocket that you can pop into a folder. So you've got your little holes to go in your ring binder, so you can keep them all safe, keep them all in order if you want to. There's a little tab up here where you can write on. So anything that, you know, maybe you've got your own filing system that you want to use.
And this as a monthly offering from us. We'll be at the same point every month, and once they're gone, they're gone. So this is, you know, exclusive to Tonic Studios, but you'll be able to flick through, you know, your months then from October, you know, all the way through the year then to those in a folder. So that's where you'll be able to keep those. Yeah, Ali will talk a little bit now about the inspiration, and we'll show some of the designs that they have.
The inspiration, I think, is quite whimsical. The style is a very whimsical style. So here, Christine has used the bottom panel that I was just talking about as a main feature on the card and decorated it with the little flowers, a few little crystal drops, which I'm sure you've got added at home. There's little areas that you can paper piece as well. Or, as Christine has done here, she's used the little flowers to add more decoration.
So that is an example of using all those detailed bits, the ones that you're getting in your die, in a card, in a whimsical, in a magical card way as well, and say showing you in more of a geometric sort of minimal design as well. You can use that.
Or you can go full out, layers, add the whole caboose. So this is a little A2 card. So if you're wondering on sizes, this is an American size A2 card, but I've layered this one up. So we've got all the different colours layered. We've got the flowers layered. We've put plenty of dimension into this card. So you make it as big or you make it as small as you like. I think that is the one thing that this die set leads to.
That's it, yeah. You can make it as compact, you know, if you want a lovely compact, you know, because that'll fold lovely to post.
Oh, that goes
you know,
flat.
So to
that would go
fold to
completely
post,
flat.
and it's a wow little project. We got lots of inspiration out there for these as well. So some of these designs that you see in there, we've got videos from our crafters and YouTubers showing you all the different ways that you can create with these as well. They're going to be available for $24.99 on the store. But if you use the code DIE5, which will appear on the screen now, at checkout, you're going to get £5 or $5 off that as well. So a good bonus for you, so you can get in that for like $19.99 around that as well. So yeah, that's exciting too. But yeah, we'll show you a little bit more.
So again, our little bottom panel we've used to make a frame. So as you can see, all these little things are not just one single thing. They go together to make a lot of ideas for you. Lovely little frame there. We've got a little pocket. So we've done a half cut on the front. This is BB's card. So this could be a gorgeous invitation.
Yeah.
And it's made a little flap, keeps everything inside. Absolutely stunning.
And that's how you can use, you know, multiple on the same card. So for this sort of one.
Again, you know me, plenty of layers.
Plenty of layers.
And we've also done, if I can show you this, it's a half cut with the dragonfly. So the dragonfly stands proud of your card base. And again, I've got the frame in the background.
So there you go. There's so much inspiration out there. It's available now. You can find the inspiration on the page on the Tonic website. If you go on the page, it'll show their inspiration. You can find there's also downloadable PDFs. You can see all the brilliant colours that Ali's showing there that you can add to these and create these wonderful little layers there. So that's it from us for this month, okay, with these Designer's Choice dies. But yeah, we got some really exciting stuff, and this is a great place to start with this amazing collection and what it's going to be. So yeah, use that code on the website, and until next time, we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.